Today we're going to unbox and review the KDD 25-inch desk mount webcam stand. Hi, my name is Larry. Welcome to my channel where we do experiments, product reviews, and other fun things in science, technology, engineering, math, and magic. Hey, if you like the look of this hat and you want one for yourself, check the link below and get yourself one. Don't forget to help out my channel by liking, subscribing, and commenting, and make sure you really hit that like button hard because I do need some help for my channel. Thank you. Alright, let's unbox the KDD 25-inch desk mount webcam stand. Nice little packaging. Open it up. Looks like we got some rubber stands. And we got an instruction booklet. Looks like we got a clasp for to hold it onto the desk. We got a phone mount. We got the actual arm itself. And the last piece is a ball joint so that you can spin it around. Let's go ahead and finish unpacking it and see what this is like. Looks like a decent set. Looks like to move the arms, you gotta undo the spinner, move it around. Oh, that's gonna be really nice. It's gonna get all kinds of angles. Just go ahead and continue opening. Here's the ball joint. There's an adapter for different size threading. Here's the desk mount. Looks like there are two knobs. I guess there's an extra one just in case you break one or one is not good in the box. Again, the instructions, and then a camera mount or a phone mount, which I am not going to use. Alright, here it is assembled and right next to my other arm for my camera. You can see there's the max height of the old one, and we're going to stretch this out and see what the height is of this one. As you can see, it's not quite as tall as my old one, but with all the angles I'll be able to get out of it, I can either use the old one for certain angles and use this one for all kinds of crazy angles. I think this is a pretty good thing. I mean, it's really tight on here. It's not very loose at all. The teeth have good gripping, and everything can be tightened pretty well. As you can see, it uses a tooth system.